Good morning, class. How are you today? Please stand up for our prayer today. Before you take your seat, kindly arrange your chair. If you are finished, you can now sit properly. Okay, let's check your attendance. Say present if you're here. Okay, before we proceed to our next lesson, let's have a short recap about the topic we had yesterday. Do you still remember? Okay, I'm glad you still remember the topic we had yesterday. Okay, if you are ready, can we get 1/4 sheet of paper? I will give you 5 minutes to answer this question. Based on this activity, what do you think? That's right, you got it. Okay, our lesson for today is use of persuasive device. Okay, before we proceed, kindly read these learning objectives. Okay, kindly read, Rachel. Okay, thank you very much. You may take your seat.
Convince me? What words do you use to convince me? Okay, those strategies you are called persuasive device. Today we will learn how to use them effectively. Use of appropriate persuasive device. Persuasive devices are techniques used to convince, influence, or persuade an audience, very common in speeches, advertisement, essay, and debates. Do you understand? Let's check this activity. Very good. I will give you 10 minutes to answer. You may start now. If you are done, let's check your answer. Okay, let's check. Did you enjoy your activities?
Now, let's check if you learned something for me. Can we answer this assessment? I will give you 5 minutes to answer this. Okay, if you are done, let's check. Okay, very good. All of you got high score. Okay, that means you learned something for me. Do you have any question or clarification? Okay, if not, that's all for today. Thank you.